tank A is filled with water to a height of 64. See, until 64 only. And then they say that tank B and C, they are empty at first, so no water. They say some of the water in tank A is then poured into B and C until the water level in the three tanks have the same height. Find the volume of water in tank B in the end. Now, for this type of question, we have to find out the total amount of water inside. And then it's poured inside each of them, right? If we have to find out the same height for each of them, we have to add the base area together. We have to find the base area, okay? And then we have to add all the base area together, and we take the total volume of water divided by all base area to find the height. Why do I want to do this? Now, take for example, right? I don't tell you the height. I tell you that there's a volume of water. Here is maybe like 6,000. If I tell you that the volume of water here is 6,000 and you know that the height is 45, you know that the length is 45, you know the breadth is 25. How are you going to find the height? Okay, you just take 6,000 divided by the base area, right? Which is divided by this, divided by this. Then you find the height. So same thing. Right now, instead of just having this base area, I have this base area, and then I have this base area, and then I have this base area. Okay, I'm going to shade up for you. This is all the base area. So what I need to do is to find the total volume. I need to add all these base area together. Once I add them up together, I take the total volume of water, I divide it by all the base area, and then I'm going to get a height which is the same for all of them. This is actually the method. Okay, so take note. Now, so the first part over here, we have to find the total volume of water. So total volume of water over here, let's try to do. Total volume of water giving us, okay, let's see, we have 64 multiplied by 45 multiplied by 25. Okay, so 64 times 45 times 25, and that will give us 72,000 cm cube. Now, the next part, remember I told you to find the area, right? Or the base area. So I'm going to put base area of A will be 45 multiplied by 25. 45 multiplied by 25. So 45 multiplied by 25, that will give me 1125. Then I'm going to write base area of B and C. Base area of B. What does this mean? This means that this is exactly the same as what is above. Because, you know, I want to save time. I'm going to write base area of A, base area of B, base area of C. So I'm going to write like this. This means the same thing. So base area of B will be 57 multiplied by 25. Okay, so take 57 multiplied by 25. That will give us 1425. Now, same thing. Base area of C. Base area of C will give me 45 multiplied by 10. Okay, this one don't need calculator. Will be 450. Okay, so total base area. So the total base area will be this plus this plus this. So there will be 1125 plus 1425 plus 450. And that will give us 3,000. Yay! Okay, so 1125 plus 1425 plus 450, giving me 3,000. Now, all my base area are together right now, and then I got my total volume of water. So I take my total volume of water, divide by 3,000. Okay? Remember, if you take the volume divided by the base area, you're going to get a height. Because the base area multiplied by the height will give you the volume. So always remember this theory. Okay? So the height would be 72,000 divided by 3,000. So what will that give us? So 72,000 divided by 3,000, that will give me 24 cm. Now, this 24 cm means this. After this amount of water has been poured into here and left some over here, right? And all of them has the same height. So this will be 24 cm, this will be 24 cm, and this will be 24 cm of water level. Okay, so it will be like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, then I ask, find the volume of water in tank B in the end. Simple, right? Because you got the height of water already. You got the water level. You got the water level, you got the breadth, you got the length. So volume of water, bracket B, would be 24, which is the height, multiplied by the breadth, 25, multiplied by the length, 57. So what will that give us? This will be 24, 25, 57, giving us 34,200 cm cube. Okay, so this is one of those questions, right, where you can actually strategize first. So the strategy is to find the total volume of water inside, then find the base area, add up all the base area together, take the total volume of water divided by all the base area, you're going to find the individual height, which are all the same. And then once you find the individual height, you can do whatever you want to find the answer. Alright, simple, right? Don't forget, done.